Have you noticed the recent dip in the used car market? It's more than just a trend. It's a significant shift with far-reaching implications. Join us as we uncover the reasons behind this decline and what it means for buyers, sellers, and the economy as a whole. The used car market has experienced significant fluctuations in recent years, with recent trends indicating a decline in prices and demand. This downturn is notable because it reflects broader economic conditions, consumer behavior, and market dynamics. Understanding the factors contributing to this decline and its implications can provide valuable insights for consumers, dealerships, and the automotive industry as a whole. Number 10. Economic factors and inflation. One of the primary reasons for the falling used car market is the current economic climate, marked by rising inflation and interest rates. As inflation increases, consumers are becoming more cautious about their spending habits. Many potential buyers are postponing purchases or opting for more affordable options, leading to decreased demand for used vehicles. This shift can create a domino effect, causing prices to drop as dealerships and sellers struggle to attract buyers. Moreover, higher interest rates can make financing more expensive, further dissuading consumers from making large purchases like vehicles. As the cost of borrowing rises, many buyers are less likely to finance a used car, leading to reduced demand and lower prices. Number 9. Increased inventory and supply chain recovery. Another significant factor influencing the used car market is the improvement in supply chain conditions following disruptions caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. During the pandemic, the automotive industry faced significant challenges, including semiconductor shortages that impacted new car production. As a result, many consumers turned to the used car market, driving prices up due to increased demand and limited inventory. However, as supply chains have stabilized and new vehicle production has resumed, more vehicles are entering the market. This influx of new cars leads to an increased inventory of used vehicles as trade-ins rise. With more options available, consumers can afford to be selective, putting downward pressure on used car prices. Number 8. Changing consumer preferences. Consumer preferences are also evolving, impacting the dynamics of the used car market. The growing popularity of electric vehicles, EVs, and hybrid models is shifting the focus away from traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. As consumers become more environmentally conscious and seek fuel-efficient options, demand for older used cars, especially those with internal combustion engines, may decline. Additionally, younger generations, such as millennials and Gen Z, are increasingly prioritizing technology, connectivity, and sustainability when choosing vehicles. This shift may lead to decreased interest in older models that do not meet these criteria, further driving down demand for certain segments of the used car market. Number 7. Impact on dealerships and resellers. The decline in the used car market has significant implications for dealerships and resellers. With falling prices, many dealerships may find it challenging to maintain profit margins, particularly if they overpaid for their inventory during the previous demand surge. As a result, some dealerships may face financial strain, potentially leading to layoffs or even closures if the trend persists. Additionally, resellers may struggle to achieve their expected returns, prompting a reassessment of their pricing strategies. Many resellers who relied on the rapid appreciation of used car values may need to adjust their expectations and adapt their business models to remain viable in a declining market. Number 6. Long-term implications for the automotive industry. The falling used car market has broader implications for the automotive industry as a whole. Automakers may experience shifts in production strategies, responding to changes in consumer preferences and demand. As the market for used vehicles declines, manufacturers may reconsider their production volumes and focus on building models that align with current consumer desires, such as EVs and hybrids. Additionally, the used car market often serves as an entry point for first-time buyers and those with limited budgets. A decline in used car availability and affordability could impact overall vehicle ownership rates, particularly among younger consumers. Number 5. Impact on insurance and financing. The falling prices in the used car market also influence insurance rates and financing options. As used car values decline, insurance companies may reassess premiums based on the lower replacement costs of these vehicles. For consumers, this can result in reduced insurance premiums, making it more affordable to own a used car. However, the changes in insurance rates can also create confusion among consumers, particularly those who may not understand how fluctuating vehicle values affect their coverage options. On the financing side, as used car prices drop, lenders may need to adjust their loan structures. Some financial institutions might tighten their lending criteria or change interest rates to mitigate risks associated with the depreciating value of used vehicles. Consumers looking to finance their purchases could face stricter conditions, affecting their ability to secure loans. Number 4. Increased competition among sellers. With the decline in used car prices, competition among sellers is intensifying. Individual sellers, dealerships, and online platforms are all vying for the attention of potential buyers, leading to aggressive pricing strategies. Many dealerships are offering discounts, special promotions, and financing incentives to attract customers, creating a highly competitive environment. This increased competition can benefit consumers, providing them with more options and potentially better deals. However, it can also complicate the buying process, as consumers may find it challenging to navigate through various offers and understand the true value of the vehicles they are considering. Number 3. Impact on trade-in values. The falling used car market also affects trade-in values for consumers looking to upgrade their vehicles. As used car prices decline, many owners may find that the trade-in offers they receive for their current vehicles are lower than expected. This reduction in trade-in value can deter consumers from purchasing new or newer used vehicles, as they may not see the financial benefits of upgrading. Consequently, the declining trade-in values can contribute to a cycle where consumers hold on to their vehicles longer, further reducing demand for used cars. This phenomenon may lead to an aging vehicle fleet on the roads, which can have implications for safety, emissions, and overall vehicle performance. Number 2. Regional variations in the market. The used car market does not experience uniform trends across different regions, and the effects of declining prices may vary significantly depending on location. In urban areas, where public transportation options are more abundant, the demand for used vehicles may be more sensitive to price changes. Conversely, in rural regions where car ownership is often essential, the decline in the used car market may be less pronounced. Regional economic conditions also play a critical role. Areas experiencing economic growth may continue to see strong demand for used cars, even amid broader market declines, while regions facing economic challenges may see sharper decreases in demand. Number 1. Future outlook for the used car market. Looking ahead, the future of the used car market remains uncertain. Factors such as evolving consumer preferences, technological advancements, and shifts in economic conditions will continue to shape the landscape. While the current decline may pose challenges, it also presents opportunities for innovation and adaptation. Thanks for tuning in to our deep dive into the falling used car market. If you found this analysis as insightful as we did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive insights. Drop your thoughts in the comments. How do you think this market shift will impact you? Until next time, stay informed and keep your finger on the pulse of the auto industry.